The best-selling novel Life of Pi, the story of a 16-year-old boy lost alone at sea for 227 days, was ready to become a big-screen adaptation after a long time being deemed unfilmable.
We had to kind of go where nobody went before, and one of the challenges was finding a boy that can play Pi.
For director Ang Lee, the role was not simply a role to be filled, it was a pivotal casting decision.
The movie is about growth and our innocence, so I want an innocent face. The youth who has not really touched acting before.
We read over 3,000 performers and found the perfect Pi.
Suraj Sharma, a newcomer to the entertainment industry, had never acted before. He was an average young man growing up in India. He hadn't yet even finished school.
I think I had a really nice childhood. I don't know what it's like growing up in America, but growing up in India is awesome. I like sports a lot. I've been playing soccer since as long as I can remember. Sometime I was trying to play the guitar, but I'm not very good at that. I learned karate. I got a black belt in that. You should do what you want to do, what would make you happy. The problem was I really didn't know what that was.
Suraj came to the audition on a lark with his brother, not expecting anything to come of it.
My brother, he wanted to go for the auditions and I was just accompanying him. I said that, yeah, I'll come with you if you buy me a Subway sandwich, and he said, okay, fine. You might as well. I didn't really expect or anything out of it, really. Slowly, it started really growing. By the end of it, I really wanted it really badly. I think I want to eventually study film. I want to be involved in film. I knew vaguely that I won't be very good at a desk job, but I didn't know if I was going to act in a movie or anything like that.
He not only surprised himself, but others, by his captivating performance.
I found him his incredible talent. You see him in the movie, it breaks your heart.
Ang made it so real for me that I kind of went through a similar journey. I think I came in really raw and Ang got to mold me whichever way he wanted.
Once the camera was rolling, you see Pi comes alive.
Pi had this adventure and there was this journey that took place. I think for me, I had this parallel journey. It was really inspiring. Now I feel that there was a bit of me that has become Pi.
Just watch him grow and carry the movie and how the movie grows. When his last shot was done, everybody was crying. I think fate brought us together. We have a Pi.